This is YETI Rambler 10-ounce mug. This mug a little bit heavy than you think. I think because of they used the thicker stainless steel. And the steel is the kitchen grade 18-8. And you can put this into the dishwasher, and it's BPA free, vacuum insulated. I like this mug. Also, they got all different colors, but this one is just no color stainless steel, and it looks great. You see all these edges are welded, very solid. And this is the sealed cap, and it got a little lid. So you see this is the double rubber ring, which can seal the cap. So no matter what's inside, it just won't leak. It got a little slider, you can drink from here, and when you don't need it, just close it. It just seal. Another thing you need to know that you see the inside, you see all the edges, there's no joints. They're like a cold press from one piece of steel. They just press it to the shape. There's no overlap or joints, so it's just the risk of the leak. So when you buy this, probably just never break. And it is also a nice looking mug, especially this size. So for me, if I put 4 fingers inside, a little bit small, but I can put 3 fingers and 1 finger outside. It's just the right size when working or just at home, have a coffee. Pretty good stuff. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.